Okay, so today's opener is just to kind of get our brains thinking for when we start solving one-step equations. Now, this would basically be a one-step equation if you'd plug in a variable for each of these boxes. If you plug in like a plus 7 equals 9, you'd have a one-step equation. You try to solve for that variable. But we're not going to get there yet. Right now, we're just going to try to figure out what value or what number can we plug into each of these boxes to make this equation true. So stop and think. What can you add to 7 to get to 9? 2. Yeah, so 2 plus 7 does in fact equal 9. Bless you. Now number 2 is a little bit trickier. What can you take away 7 from to equal negative 4? So what number minus 7 will equal negative 4? Nick? Negative 3 minus 7 would be negative 11. Or sorry, negative 10. Just a positive 3. Good. How did you figure that out? You just knew it? Okay. One way you could do, what's another way that you could possibly do it? Darius? Yeah. It's another way that you could have gotten that answer. And just switch the box over? Okay, move the box. So negative 7 plus something equals negative 4. All right. Well, there's going to be a way that we're going to solve it today that I'm going to show you called inverse operation. Number 3, because when we're working with larger numbers, like let's say that this number was minus 28 equals 103. Are you guys going to be able to do that in your head? No, that's going to be a pretty significant number. So I'm going to teach you some steps or some methods that's going to help you solve it for when we're dealing with larger numbers. Smaller numbers is a little bit easier. 4 times what equals 24? 6. And then the last one, what's this bar mean to do? So what divided by 3 will equal 6? 18. If you take 2 times 3, you'll get 6. But if you take 2 divided by 3, you'll get some long decimal. But 18 divided by 3 will equal 6. Okay? So although we're dealing with easy or smaller numbers now, it was pretty easy for us to figure out what the missing value was. But when we get to larger numbers, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. So that's your opener for today. Quick, short, to the point.